Imagine this. It's late at night. You're sound asleep. Your phone's on silent. And when you wake up in the morning, you check your bank account and see more money in it than when you went to bed. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for a lot of people, it's a reality. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's the core principle of how wealthy people think and operate. They don't just trade their time for money. They build asset systems that work for them. 24 septima partes, even when they not actively working. Today, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you for powerful, modern assets that you can start building in 2025. These are designed to generate passive income, meaning once you set them up, they can earn money for you on autopilot. Now, what does that even mean? Simply put, you make money by recommending products or services that other people have created. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to handle inventory. And you don't need to deal with customer service. Your job is to be the trusted middleman. Think about it. You probably already recommend things to your friends and family all the time. Great movie, a new restaurant, a useful app. Affiliate marketing just formalizes that. You could start a blog, a YouTube channel like this one, or even just a social media page focused on a topic you're passionate about. Maybe it's fitness, maybe it's tech gadgets, maybe it's gardening. You find products you genuinely love and believe in, sign up for their affiliate program, and get a special link. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The beauty of this is that a single piece of content, like a review, video, or a blog post, can continue to earn you money for months, or even years, after you've created it. That's a true asset. Next up, asset number 2. Automated investments. This is where you truly make your money work for you. Many people think investing is complicated, risky, and only for people with a lot of money. But that's an old way of thinking. Today, technology has made it incredibly accessible for anyone to start. We're talking about setting up systems that automatically invest your money into a diversified portfolio. This could be through robo-advisors that manage everything for you based on your risk tolerance, or by setting up regular, automatic investments into low-cost index funds, or ETFs. You're not trying to time the market or pick the next hot stock. You're building a machine that takes a small portion of your income and puts it to work, growing steadily over time through the power of compound interest. Your money is out there, working around the clock, building your wealth while you focus on other things in your life. Let's move on to the third asset, which is one of my personal favorites. Digital products. In the digital age, you can create something once and sell it an infinite number of times. There's no manufacturing cost, no shipping, and almost pure profit after the initial creation. What kind of digital products are we talking about? The possibilities are endless. It could be an ebook sharing your expertise on a specific topic, a set of design templates for social media, a comprehensive online course teaching a skill you've mastered, or even a piece of software or mobile app. The initial work is in the creation. You have to pour your knowledge and effort into making something valuable. But once it's done, it can be sold over and over again, generating income while you sleep, while you're on vacation, while you're working on your next project. This is how you scale your income beyond the hours you have in a day. You might think, how is a skill an asset? Well, it's the most valuable asset you will ever own. Unlike stocks that can go down or property that can lose value, the skills you acquire are yours forever. They can never be taken away from you, and they don't depreciate. In fact, they appreciate with experience. Take it with you anywhere in the world and use it to create value and generate income. affiliate assets, automated investments, digital products, and your own skills. The path forward is clear. You can continue trading your time for money, where your income is always capped by the hours you can work. Or you can start thinking like the wealthy and begin building asset systems that work for you, creating freedom and options in your life. If this video gave you a new perspective or a spark of inspiration, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. And for more practical strategies on building wealth and living a better life, make sure you subscribe to Mr. Apon and turn on the notifications so you and miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.